This is the Redcat Danchee Ridgerock. It is a 1/10 scale budget crawler, and today I'm going to be unboxing it and reviewing it. This is every single thing that comes in the box. So you have the car right here. This thing is big. This is as big as an arm of granite. A JLB Cheetah, as big as any 1/10 scale, so it's definitely a 1/10 scale. You get your controller right here. You can see it has steering trim, throttle trim, all the things you're gonna need. And you might notice that it has 4-wheel steering, which is pretty awesome for a car under $100. Look at that, that is, okay, that's insane. 4-wheel steering, okay, that's insane. This thing's 90 bucks on Amazon. That is insane. Then you get a Hexafly lithium-ion 2S battery with a mini Tamiya plug on the end. Some shock spacer clips, but the shocks are great. I don't really know why you need these, because you want some nice soft shocks on a crawler, but it comes with them. You get a metal wheel tightener and some servo horns. These servo horns have a servo saver in them. These ones do not. So if you want a little less loose steering, you can put these on. It's really nice that it comes with that. And then a cheap little USB charger. I'd always recommend using a hobby grade charger. I mean, these do the job, but they're really, really slow. So that's everything, all the goodies it comes with. And then let's take a closer look at the car. So you can see it has a really nice looking body. It's Lexan, nice and flexible. It'll definitely be able to take some falls. So you got 4 pins, 2 on each side. It's nice that they have them on the side, so they're not on the tops of the body. It makes the body look a lot nicer. So take off the body, has a little roll cage in it, nice, durable. Get the pins out of the way. If you take a look at the inside, pretty barren. You see you have your space for your battery. You can fit a huge battery in this if you wanted to. And then, I mean, not much else. You got your ESC receiver combo hidden under there. Oh, look at that suspension. Oil filled out of the box. And watch this. That's madness. Look at that suspension travel. That is insane suspension travel. That's almost 90 degrees. Wow. Then you obviously got 4-wheel steer, so servo in front, servo in back. You also have a motor in front and a motor in back, which makes it kind of hard to tell which way is front and which way is back. There's literally no way to tell with the body off. It's pretty crazy. And then you have your tires. I mean, they're soft. You could probably take the foam out of there to make them a lot softer. I'll have a video about that coming up. They are real beadlock tires though, which is pretty awesome. It has 2 380 brushed motors, and you can see there are some suspension adjustment points there, so you can have a lot of adjustment with that. Man, this suspension though is really, really nice for a crawler. I am not gonna run it in this video. I'm just trying to make this video kind of short and sweet. So I think that really concludes everything there is to say about this car. If there's anything I missed, make sure to tell me in the comments. I'll try and address it. But there will be some upgrades coming to this car. There will be a driving test of this car. So if you want to see that, make sure to smash the bell and subscribe. So as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.